Everyone, I am Preeti of class 7. Wishing you all very good morning. Today's session will be maintained by 7 girls. A small positive thought can change our life. So I would like to welcome Janisha of class 7 to say today's thought of the day.
My name is Mr. Nisha. I am 7th standard. Robin Williams taught a hungry stomach and empty wallet and a broken heart can teach you the best lessons of life. Thank you.
Thank you, Janisha. Now I call Maithili of class 7 to tell a story.
I am Michael of class 7. Here is a small story. Once, all villagers decided to pray for rain. On the day of prayer, all people gathered, but only one boy came with umbrella. Thus fate, when you toss a 1-year-old baby in the air, he laughs because he knows his father will catch him. Thus trust. Every night we go to bed. We have no assurance to wake up alive next morning, but still we set alarm for tomorrow. That's hope. These three things are very necessary in our life. Thank you.
Thank you, Maithili. Now we are at the last topic of the session. Now I call Rashmi of class 7 to tell few sentences about cooking with mom.
I am Rashmi of class 7. Cooking with mom. I love spending time with my mom in the kitchen. On weekends we look together. She teaches me simple recipes. We laugh and talk while chopping vegetables. After preparing delicious meal, we sit together to eat. The show us we are together forever. Cooking with mom is always a fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmi. Next Friday session will be maintained by 6th boys.